Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we'll talk about a brand new service called Bulk Messaging Service for RCS. With this service, we can easily send text messages along with images, videos, and documents. For this, we have a panel that you can see on the screen. I'll enter the username and password here to log in. Once logged in, the screen that appears looks like this. The most important part is message balance. It's very important to have sufficient balance. The first option is Create Campaign. When you click on Create Campaign, it automatically picks today's date and time by default. If you want, you can also give a campaign name. The first sub-option is Send Text, which lets you send only text messages. The second sub-option is Send Media, where you can attach images, videos, and captions. For example, I'll choose a file and select an RCS image. I have a small piece of text content which I'll copy and paste. Now that I've created my message, I'll click Create Campaign. That means my campaign is created. The second option is View Campaign. If you want to see how your campaign will look, click on Show Campaign. Look, here's the image I chose, and below it is the caption I added. Send Campaign. The third option is Send Campaign. Here, you select your newly created campaign by name, date, or time. You then enter the phone numbers to which you want to send. I have some data I'll copy and paste here. Make sure to include the Indian country code +91 before each number. Then I click Send Now. Note, the system needs to fetch this data via an application we provide. On my phone, which I'm accessing via AnyDesk, there's an application called SS Blaster. Inside this app, I log in with the same user credentials I used on the web panel, here named RCS. In Settings, there is a message device option. By default, one device is set, but you can specify how many numbers you want to send from at once. There are two message types, SIM SMS, if you want to send messages directly using the SIM in your phone, RCS message, if you want to send via RCS. After choosing, I'll save these settings, then click Next. As soon as I click Next, my phone will fetch the campaign I just created and start sending it. Sending from multiple phones, friends. I'm not just using one phone. I've connected 3 to 4 phones so you can see how it works. Stay tuned with the video. As I mentioned, I'll show how this campaign gets fetched on multiple phones. Look, I have prepared 4 phones. On the first phone, I chose RCS, then clicked Save and Next. On the second phone, the same, Save and Next. On the third phone, Save and Next. On the fourth phone, Save and Next. Now you can see the SMS sending has started on all 4 phones simultaneously. The campaign we created with an image and text is now being sent. First, it picks the image, then pastes the text and sends them together. This way, a bulk campaign is processed. You can use multiple phones to push out a large number of messages. I'll show you closely. The app picks the image first, then pastes the text and sends both together. Each phone picks up its portion of messages one by one. You can configure how many messages each phone should handle or keep them all the same. Your choice. This is a great feature for bulk sending via RCS built on solid technology. It sends without errors and delivers 100% of messages. If someone replies, you receive it as well. Right in the text messages. RCS filtering. This is exactly how to use it. RCS checks if the target number is on RCS. If it is, the message is sent. If not, it isn't. So it filters in real time. That's a great function because it confirms that the number is RCS enabled before sending. For example, if a number supports RCS, the system first picks the image and then the caption, sending it together. Reports. After your bulk messaging finishes, you can go to the Reports section to see how many messages were delivered, etc. You can download this information in Excel or CSV format. You can also click View to see it on screen. Since my campaign is still running, some are shown as sent, while others are not sent, because those numbers didn't support RCS. The ones that were sent are on RCS. That's how you can launch a campaign and do bulk messaging via RCS. Message balance. Back on the main panel, you can see my message balance has decreased accordingly in real time as those messages were sent. It updates continuously. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for staying with us.